Hello guys, welcome to task 3. I am going to perform EDA on the given dataset. Here I am importing some of the data science library which is necessary for reading the data and useful to visualizing the data. These are the top 5 rows from my data frame. It has around 10,000 rows and 13 columns. It has no null values. I am just dropping the duplicate rows from my data frame. This is a summary info about my data. This is a statistical information about my data. Here we could know that count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and some of the percentile values about the each and every column, which is numeric. Here, quantity and the discount columns consist of some of the continuous categorical data. So I am convert them into object data type. After conversion, uh, discount and quantity data are converted into object. There is no use of postal code column, so I am just dropping it. This code returns the unique value from each of the column. After dropping, I had 11 columns in my dataset. I'm just creating another column which is used in my EDA process by this block of code. This status consists of profit, loss, neither profit nor loss. These three unique values. These are the counts of the values. Around 8,000 people are get profit and 2,000 are loss, and some of them are neither profit nor loss. You can see the count from here. This is the relationship between discount and sale with respect to the status. This is a block of code written by myself, and you will see the use case in upcoming part. I just used the function written by myself and passed a column called region from the data. This is a tuple of size of the chart. Here you can see the profit and loss in the region column. You can also see that the report tells that how many of them are profited, and it will return a data frame summary. It will returns the highest profit in which column. Here I am done for a categorical column which has 3 unique values. Office supplies has highest profit of around 51%. Similarly, I had done for all other columns. The state California has highest amount of profit. I am just using top 20 cities as an input for the function. These are the top 20 cities which is having a highest amount of loss and profit. New York has highest profit. Thank you guys.